Here's how to subscribe to Roblox Plus or start a free trial. Open the Roblox app and tap More on the left sidebar, then select Roblox Plus. If you are eligible for the free trial, you will see a Try It for Free button. Tap it. If you do not see this option, tap Subscribe instead to go straight to paid sign-up. If you are on the website and cannot find the free trial option, try signing in to roblox.com in your browser rather than using the app. The trial offer sometimes appears there even when the app shows subscribe. Select your payment method, enter your details, and complete the purchase or click Start Trial. If you chose the trial, you will not be charged until a trial period ends. Make sure to cancel before then if you decide not to continue. Roblox Plus replaced the old Roblox Premium and includes trading access, avatar shop discounts, and other perks. The free trial is the best way to test whether the features are worth it for your playstyle before committing to a monthly payment. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.